Hello my dear friends, I welcome you all in my first YouTube video. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Today's topic of discussion will be general welding techniques. That is how we are actually proceeding for the welding of the butt weld in the 3G or commonly known as vertical position. As you can see in the video, we are preheating the joints through the blowtorch. The blowtorch is moving in a uniform direction. It has to be preheated to 120 degrees Celsius in order to remove any sort of moisture from the parent metal. Once the heating is done, it is checked through the temperature gun whether the required temperature has achieved or not. Here you can see it is close to 120 degrees Celsius. So after checking this temperature, we'll proceed for the next process. Here in this video you can see this. It is called a mother oven, where we used to store the electrode to a required temperature, that is 250 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. It is also known as inventory. From here the electrodes is transferred to the portable oven that is close to the welder. Here we maintain the temperature of the portable oven to be 150 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. And this is the electrode that we are going to use here. It is E7018 electrode of 3.15 mm dia. Here you can see one helper is sitting next to the welder who is adjusting the current setting of the welding, which is very important during the welding. And the welder is welding the joints. One thing is very important to note here, that the welding will take place from bottom to top in vertical position. After that, these two tools will be used after the welding is completed to clean the joints. Here you can see the welder is welding the joints in the vertical position, the prescribed direction, that is from bottom to top. So yeah, the welding has been completed and the welder is chipping out the spatter or slag from the weld joint. And yes, in this way the welding is completed. So after chipping, we will do the dye penetrant test of the welding. I will bring a separate video on dye penetrant test for checking of the welding defects. If you like the video and find it informative, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for future videos like this. Till then, take care, love you all, and Jai Hind. Thank you very much.